Alright, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. I believe it's the third episode for the F30 rebuild, as you guys can see over here. Oh yeah, last video on Nick's channel, we went ahead and replaced a ton of the airbags on the interior of the car. So definitely go check out that video right now if you haven't already. It's gonna make more sense for this video. Today we're gonna be heading out and picking up some parts from this guy over in, I think, West Sacramento. He has all the parts that we need specifically for this car from one car. So all the parts are coming from one car, which is kind of just like an ease of mind type of situation. Definitely, you know what I mean?
Yeah, for sure.
So yeah, we're about to go head out, grab those parts real quick, and then we're gonna come back over here and go ahead and get started on replacing some of these things, because I don't know if you guys see, we still got a big project on our hands.
Yeah, we got a hefty project right here.
Yeah. So anyway, let's go ahead, head out and pick up those parts.
We pretty much just picked up all the parts for the F30. Just in general, we picked up most of the parts. We picked up some goodies for the interior as well. We're gonna switch up some things, huh, Johnny?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna switch up some things on the interior. I think it's gonna look pretty good overall. So we're gonna grab a couple tools to work on the suspension. A few other things. We're gonna head over to where the F30 is now, and we can get working on the car. So I'll see you guys then. Oh my gosh.
What?
Look at all these parts.
Oh my, you're scaring me over here. That's a lot of parts, but no, it's definitely needed, bro.
Treasure. I've been needing you.
Alright guys, so we just picked up the parts. We just got back from picking up the parts.
All the parts.
Bro, we got so many different parts right here. Mostly it's for like the subframe. I think this is the subframe right here actually. So we got the subframe. Yeah. I don't know if we'll be able to do that in this video, but we got a ton of other parts. We got the undershield, the radiator fan, and just a few other little things here and there, because I don't know, it needs stuff. It needs
a lot of work.
It needs a lot of stuff, and this is a lot of stuff. I don't know all the terms for them. So we're actually gonna be pulling off the front end now. That includes like the bash bar and just a few other things we're gonna be pulling off, and then we're gonna go ahead and put on some of the other parts.
Dang, Johnny, you hit the gym? You hit the gym or what?
We're hitting the gym, you know what I'm saying? It's actually, bro, it's not bad.
It's actually light, huh?
It's not that, yeah. I mean, it's heavy. It's really heavy, yeah.
How do I look, bro? Hold up, let me go wash my hands.
You look amazing.
Huh?
You look amazing.
We pretty much got the front end off. We took off the bash bar. We took off a few small plastics off. That reinforcement bar took us quite a minute to take off because honestly, brackets on it were bent and it was just hitting the center, so it bent the whole like part together closer, so it took us a little minute to pull everything apart. Plus there's like some bolts underneath, yeah, and dude, like on inside of like the radiators and
it doesn't even
all that.
Make
So
sense.
yeah, but anyways, we even had to pull off the intake, but we just threw that back on. But the radiators look good. Looks like we're not gonna have an issue with that. Frame, just that confirms that frame is also good for us as well. Honestly, we're good to go on getting to work on the subframe and all the suspension work and just putting this car together. I mean, I can't wait for this, but for now we're actually gonna get to work on the back end, pull off the rear wheels, we're gonna pull off the rear bumper, and we're gonna fix the control arm that is bent on the rear left side. We're also going to install some wheels, some sport wheels on there.
Yes, sir.
The wheels we're gonna install, I actually took them off my Bmw F30. I put some Apex wheels on there. If you guys haven't seen that video.
You're shouting it out. But go ahead, by all means, bro. Do it. I don't care. I don't care.
I was like, bro.
He's got a video on it, so definitely go check it out, guys. So pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, we're pretty much gonna install those wheels. The stock wheels that I had on there, we're pretty much gonna install on this car now. Yeah, guys, let's get to work. Wheels out of here, bro.
Honestly, it's time for these to go.
Right here. You see? That's gonna sit right here. As you can tell, you see this one's bent right here?
Yeah, guys, that one's all bent up, so. Oh, snap. Well, that popped up.
Yeah, it's clapped, dude. It's pretty bent.
That's really bad.
Yeah, but these all look good over here, so.
Everything
like this,
else is good.
Oh, this one actually looks like it's bent too, bro. Check this out. You see this in the back?
It low-key does. I don't know if you guys can see that on video, but. Dang, dude.
Looks like it is, huh?
Loki does.
Well, we'll see right now. We'll pull off the other side, so we're gonna pull off the wheel anyway. So
yeah.
We'll see how that looks. Maybe that's just how it's supposed to be. Probably not, but it might not make a big difference either. So we might just replace that when we do alignment.
Yeah, we'll see.
It'd be probably easier. Bro. Oh my gosh!
It's so dirty though.
Yeah. Dude, this thing's freaking clapped.
That's bad, dude.
I wonder what happened. It had to have hit something, bro, for it to sit out like that.
Sideways.
Yeah. Put this back in here.
There we go.
Yeah. A little confused. Yeah, a little confused as to why there's so much damage.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense in the rear like this to have so much damage, to be honest.
Yeah.
Really
the wheel's not even hit. Like, we literally got to deal with replacing this control arm as well. It's not bent that bad, honestly. So we're just going to replace that when we do the alignment. I'll probably have the guys replace it for us. Because at that point, it'll be a lot easier for them, bro.
Yeah.
They just, like, get underneath and swap these two bolts out. Plus, they're, like, outside bolts. So this is, like, one of the easier control arms to replace.
For sure.
The one we replaced up here is probably the hardest one to replace.
Honestly.
Just because it's so close to the subframe and, like, behind everything over there.
Mm-hmm.
I know a lot of people are scared of, like, suspension damage, but realistically, this is not too bad of a...
It's not that bad.
Not that bad of a job. You could literally do this, like, we're doing it on a freaking jack stand, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
so
it's
you can literally do this at home. It's not, don't go and pay somebody like $400 to freaking change a control arm for you.
Honestly. So I can't really point, but we pretty much got the control arm on. Yeah, so we got that bolt on. I had to stop recording because I had to help. But now we got the new control arm on, and it should be good to go, to be honest. Everything else looks pretty much fine other than this side over here. But we're probably gonna get that replaced once we get the alignment done. Anyway, let's go ahead and move on to the other side of the front bumper, or the rear bumper.
Oh, actually, yeah guys, so we pretty much, to get to the rear bumper, we pretty much need to unscrew these bolts underneath here. And for that, we need to take off the wheel. So we're just gonna pretty much unscrew the bumper from here. Then we'll take off the other wheel, unscrew the bumper from there as well, and pull off this rear bumper, and then install the new wheels on there as well. So.
You gotta kick it.
Woo. Yeah, so that control arm is bent. Like, this one's completely straight, so.
Really? Okay, so we don't have to mess with this side?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, everything looks clear on here, so. Let's take off this bumper mount and install the new wheel on here. Perfect.
dirty.
Yeah, look at this damage right here.
Yeah, the damage is like mostly on this bottom part right over here. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad, but we have to definitely replace it because...
Yeah, I mean, like, you see these lines right here?
Yeah, the lines
it just completely disappears right here, so... plus this is all cracked up. I mean, like, it's literally gonna cost us more...
to get it repaired than to even just buy a new one.
Yeah, than to even buy a new one, yeah. And at this point, like, we're really considering going like to M Sport bumpers. I think that completely changes the look of the car, especially on a white car.
It looks really.
You could see the each like concave.
The lines, like the curves.
The curves, yeah, the lines and the curves. You can see a lot more than on any other color, I guess, just in general. But the white is like, I've seen like white M Sports, and they look really good. So
they do look amazing.
Yeah, let's install that other wheel real quick.
It's kind of getting to be bad lighting because we don't have electricity in here just yet. So we're running like a long extension cord. So we have like these two lights coming from over here, so that's why we're gonna probably end the video here shortly. We're gonna put on this wheel and then probably call it a day. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this wheel on. Okay, ready to drop it? Bro, those OEM ones look so garbage. These Sportline ones look way, way better.
Bro, I love the white color so much.
The white
honestly
looks really, really good. So clean. Like, even like it's dirty and it looks clean on here. Like, it really looks like it's just got a wash.
I love the white color on here, bro, honestly.
The white looks so good.
Especially if we get the M Sport like bumpers and side skirts, I think it's gonna look really good.
It's
gonna have like this really nice, I mean, let's keep these wheels on for now. We're gonna see where we go with modification wise. We wanna of course get this car done first before we think about all of that, because every time we pull something apart, we find more and more. And that's how it usually is with like buying damaged cars. So we want to make sure we get everything taken care of, and we want to make sure we get it done right.
Alrighty guys, so this is the end of the video. So we got a lot of work done, especially on the front end. We took off that bash bar, and so we saw what kind of damage we had, as well as taking off this rear bumper. We had to replace that control arm. That one was bent, and there's another one that's a little bit bent, so we're probably gonna have that replaced later down the road once we get the alignment, because it's kind of just easier for the alignment people to get it done for us. But other than that, guys, we're getting some progress done. I apologize for the lighting. Hopefully it doesn't look too weird. This is just what we have to work with at this point, so bear with us. We're gonna get some more better lighting set up soon. If you guys are ready for the next video on the F30, it's gonna be on Nick's channel, so definitely stay tuned. Subscribe to both of us.
Come on.
Yeah, we need to
preach. That's funny.
But yeah, guys, there's tons of mosquitoes in here, so we're just gonna wrap this up real quick.
We're gonna clock out.
We're gonna clock out real quick. Remember to follow us on Instagram. I'll go ahead and throw up both of our Instagrams. With that being said, remember to stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that private car. I will catch you guys later. This guy.